To make bhat pitha, you need rice powder. In my video, I am taking half kg of rice powder. To get good pitha, you should make your own rice powder at home. Check my previous video by clicking the link given below to know how to make rice powder at home. Cook the rice powder for few seconds by adding some water. It seems to get cold fast, so make a dough while it's warm. Divide the dough into pieces and make a rope-like shape of half centimeter diameter. Then cut into small pieces. Length should be around 1 centimeter. Could be little smaller. And press both ends of this small piece like a rice. You can make this by grating the dough with the help of a grater. Boil some water and cook this rice-shaped pitha in batches if it is too much. When the color will change into pale white, then take out this pitha from the water. To cook this pitha, need maximum 3 minutes. You can serve hot or cold, store into refrigerator, serve with milk and sugar or any sweetener. Mix some oil to prevent sticking each other. You can serve the bhat pitha in another way. For that, you need chopped onion 1 small bowl, tomato chopped 1 small bowl, chili up to you, salt and pepper as per taste, oil 2 tablespoons, cumin seeds half teaspoon. Now heat up the oil, crack the cumin seeds, add chopped onion, chopped tomato, chopped chilies and stir for a while. Now add the cooked rice-shaped pitha and stir gently. Season with salt and pepper. Serve this bhat pitha warm.